missed in a couple of areas of the game, but you know, if you win by 35 points, you can't complain too much. Obviously, the next game against the Dominican will be much harder.
What do you know about Venezuela here? What's your opinion about this tournament here in Caracas?
I'm very excited to be in South America. I've never been before. I'm happy to be in Venezuela because in my 2 short days here, I found very kind and nice people and a very warm environment. And I'm enjoying myself. I hope we keep winning and I hope I stay happy.
You guys are happy.
Yeah, for the next game, what detail do you consider Russia must improve in that case?
Without a doubt, you know, we got to do a better job rebounding the ball. We forced a lot of missed shots, but we missed too many defensive rebound opportunities. Korea's an atypical team. They take a lot of fast three-point shots, and they're not always in position to rebound those kind of shots. But we missed several chances. And obviously, we got to take better care of the ball. We turned it over 16 times in the first half. That's a whole game plus. But you know, this game has no connection to what we're going to see in 2 days. It's totally different game.
Maybe, what do you know about Venezuela basketball team?
Honestly, not a lot, but I do know Hector Romario because he played in Israel, where I'm from. And he was a great player there, and I know he's a great player here. And I know of a few of the other players, obviously Vasquez with his